Hello guys, let's see CA Inter Advanced Accounts paper pattern and analysis. Subscribe my channel CA Hub. I will be coming up with more interesting videos for the upcoming examination. Now let's see the analysis of May 24, September 24 and Jan 25 examination. Now let's see May 24 examination analysis. That is 1A, 1B. We have got AS16 and AS2 for each for 7 marks. In second question, we have got internal reconstruction for 14 marks. In 3A, 3B, we got AS7 and AS3 for each 7 marks. In AS fourth question, we have got amalgamation for 14 marks. And in fifth question, we have got consolidated financial statement for 14 marks. In 6A, we got AS19. Here in 6A, we get the either or question. That is, in either or question, we got AS19 and AS20 theory question. That is for 4 marks. 6B, we got AS20 for 4 marks. And 6C is anyways, it is a sequence that they are maintaining. That is the box which I marked over here. It is a sequence that they are maintaining for every examination. So 6C is branch accounts we got for 6 marks over here. Now let's see September 24 analysis. 1A we got AS26, 1B we got AS15, 1C we got AS22 for 4 marks, 5 marks and 5 marks. And second question we got financial statement for 14 marks. Third question we got 3A, 3B, that is AS3 and buyback we got 7 marks. Fourth question we have got amalgamation plus AS14, including AS14 we got 14 marks. In fifth question we got consolidated financial statement plus AS21 for 14 marks. In 6A we got AS13. This is a either or question, right? So in this either or question we got AS13 plus theory question for AS2, that is either or question for 4 marks. 6B we got internal reconstruction for 4 marks. 6C we got branch account for 6 marks. And in January 2025, 1A we got AS20 for 5 marks, 1B we got AS19 for 5 marks and 1C we got AS15 for 4 marks. In second question, we got internal reconstruction for 14 marks and 3A we got AS29, that is for 7 marks. 3B we got AS3 for 7 marks. Fourth question is amalgamation for 14 marks. Fifth question is consolidated financial statements for 14 marks. In 6A it is either or question. Here we got AS18 or theory question, that is chapter 1 for 4 marks. And 6B we got buyback for 4 marks and 6C we got branch account for 6 marks. Upon the total analysis of May 24 and September 24 and January 2025 examination, I would say one thing, that is here the amalgamation is a question that we are getting the sequence. That is here it is the paper pattern which is getting 14 marks in every attempt. So it is a sequence that they are maintaining. So we can expect that this is a paper pattern for fourth question for our May 25 examination. In fifth question also we are getting a consolidated financial statement, but here the one thing is consolidated financial statements we are getting with AS21, AS23, 25, like that only we will get. So once you are doing a consolidated financial statements, you have to do those standards also. This is a compulsory question which is coming for not a compulsory question, but it is a sequence maintaining from the very past attempt, that is for 14 marks each we are getting it. When we see 6th C, that is here also we are maintaining, they are maintaining the sequence, that is 6 is always coming for branch accounts. It might be Indian branch or foreign branch, but it is a branch chapter only. So here the marks is 6 marks, 6 marks and 6 marks we have got here. And when I say second question, here the sequence might not be followed, but the marks that they are maintaining is for 14 marks and 14 marks only. So here from the analysis of May 24, September 24 and January 25, we could say that 4th, 5th and 6th C is already known to us what was going to come in our May 25 examination. But second question might be sometimes the different chapters could come, but it is also a 14 mark question. Anyways the sequence is getting right. Now let's see the analysis of the May 25 examination. Here when I say I don't wanted to say any like what are the AS standards and all we will get. I will say 1A, 1B, 1C is anyways it is a mandatory question, but also it is an accounting standard question. So in order to attempt your accounts paper, you have to do your accounting standards in order to attempt first question of accounts paper. So now let's see the second question. Second question, here from the sequence over here we got internal reconstruction 2 times and financial statement for 1 time. So that is what I have written here. That is internal reconstruction of our financial statements we will get for 14 marks. But ICA may go sometimes different, right? So here we can also expect AS13 buyback or branch also, because ICA, if they don't wanted to maintain a pattern to second question, they can ask these questions also, right? So it is also the sequence. This can be expected in our second question. In 3A and 3B, it is AS question, and 3B, there might be buyback also, because if you see that in 3B over here, we got AS and here also AS, but we got here buyback. So we can expect buyback over here also, The sequence might be different, but we can expect the question from here or here also. And fourth question is for 14 marks, it is a fixed question. And fifth question is a consolidated question. It is also a fixed question. But you can expect, once you are preparing your consolidated financial statement, make sure you are also preparing AS 21, 23, 25, 27, 28, because here we got in the September 24 attempt, consolidated financial statement came with a standard. So we can expect here also. So once you are doing consolidated financial statement, you have to do this also. And 6A, we are getting AS or theory. There is either or question we will get. 6B, it is an AS question. 6C is a branch question. It is also fixed question. It might be 6 marks or 4 marks depending upon the question that they have been preparing. It might be Indian branch or foreign branch. But this is a sequence that they have to be followed in the accounts paper based on the past attempt analysis. And when you ask me strategy in order to get complete the AS, I would say the A category, B category and C category. The A category are AS 1, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, 24. Why did you mention these standards here? I will say, because these are the standards they did not even ask in the many attempts, that is past attempts and all. These are the standards which we did not get it. So we can expect these as a most important standards for our May 25 examination. So that is why I have written it here in a category A. Now let's see the B category, that is AS 2, 16, 19, 20, 22, 26. AS that is C category and all is 15, 18, 29. And one more trick that I wanted to share with you is, if you wanted to attempt the 100 marks paper, then you have to prepare any two. That is sufficient. That is either do AS 14, AS 21 or branch. Because I would say that here, if you have been thorough with amalgamation as well as consolidated financial statements, you will be doing this only. Or you can leave the branch. But when I say, as per my suggestion, I would say do your amalgamation, because here there is no linkage of any standards. So, but when you prepare your consolidated financial statement, there is a linkage of standards like AS 21, 23, these and all is the linkage of accounting standards that we have. So, in order to attempt the 100 marks question paper, because there is a lack of time to prepare it, you can go with AS 14, that is amalgamation, consolidated financial statement or branch account. If you prepare any two of the question, then you can attempt the question paper pattern as I mentioned above. So this make the video use of it, and thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye.